Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the essential tools in Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced video editor, understanding these tools is crucial for efficient and effective video editing. So let's jump right into it and explore the essential tools in Premiere Pro. Before we get started, let's take a quick tour to Premiere Pro Workspace. Here we have the project panel and the source monitor, the program monitor, timeline, and various tools. Familiarizing yourself with these elements will make your editing experience smoother and more productive. The selection tool is the default tool and is used for selecting moving and trimming clips on your timeline. Simply click on the clip to select it, and then you can drag it to a new position. You can trim its in and out points or adjust its duration. You can select the selection tool by clicking in here, or you can press the V from your keyboard to select it. Now let's move on to the track forward selection tool. You can simply just click on it, or you can press A to shift to this key. From its name, the track selection forward tool, just simply select the track forward position. Just click anywhere on your track and this will select all of the position, all of the clips from your timeline from the forward direction. Let me show you what I mean by that. If I have these multiple clips with me, if I use this track selection tool and simply click on it, this will select all of the tracks in front of this one. Also, you can hold the shift key. This will select only the track that is selected. For example, if I select the track 4, I'll just simply click on it and this will select everything on the track 4. If I hold the shift key and click on this track 2, this will select everything in the track 2. Here if you hold this key, or you can select this tool, the track select backward tool, this works exactly the same, but this will select everything in the back of your track. If you select it from here, this will select everything in the left side from your track. And exactly if you hold the shift key, this will only select everything on your left in a single track. For example, if I click on here, this will select everything on my left, but only the V1 track. Now let's move on to the ripple edit tool. You can simply click on it, or you can press B from your keyboard to select this. Ripple edit is same as selection tool, but this will ripple edit your video. You see, if I increase the duration of the video, the gap between the video will remain same. Same goes with this one. If I increase its value, the space between them will also increase. If I select this video and decrease its size, you see the space is now covered with the other track. There's an option for rolling editing tool. Just click on it. If you move the slider, you can see on the monitor screen the preview of that, where the video ends and the next video starts. So what it does, it takes a part of this video and edit them. Now let's move on to the rate stretch tool. This will speed up your video. If you use this tool to increase or decrease the time of the duration, this will speed up your video. If I zoom in, you can see there's written 181.48%. This means the speed of this video is increased. You can also increase size so that you can see the video speed is now decreased. This will not cut or edit anything. This will just increase or decrease the speed of your video. Now let's move on to the razor tool. You can simply click on it, or you can press C from your keyboard to cut it. You can make some cuts to your video. And if you hold the shift key, you can cut everything in one frame. Just like that. Let me show you again. If I hold the shift key, I can cut everything from this line. This can save you time, so you can make cuts to your video very quickly. Now let's move on to the slip tool. With slip tool, you can change the time of your video without moving it to your timeline. Simply, if this video starts at 1 second, you can start it from 0 without changing its position. Now let's move on to the pen tool. You can select the pen tool with P, or you can simply click on it. You can create some of the images or the objects with this pen tool. Or you can also edit some of the audio files, and the time remapping increase its volume. And here you can see there's a line here, add some pointers to it, and you can use this for the transition. If I delete everything and play the video, you see the opacity is now decreasing and then increasing. You can create some of the transition with this tool. You can also use this tool for the time remapping, the speed that we say. Select the pen tool, add some points, select the selection tool, and increase the speed of the video. So you see, this part is now faster, but every other part is same. This pen tool can be very useful to create some of the animations and as well as some of the charts for your video. Now let's move on to rectangle tool. With its name, you see you can create some of the rectangles in your video. And if you click on it, and here you can select the ellipse tool, you can create some of the circles. I'm going to remove its size and delete it. And by the ellipse tool, I can create some circles or some ovals. And with the polygon tool, I can create some of the polygons and the rectangles. Just delete this one. Now let's move on to the hand tool. The hand tool is simply used to move from your timeline. You can simply drag You can simply click and drag to your desired location, or you can use the zoom tool to zoom in. With its name, you can see you can zoom in to your timeline, or if you hold the Alt key, you can zoom out to your timeline. Just simply click on it and you will be zoomed out. If you click on it without holding the Alt key, you can zoom in. Last but not least, we have this type tool. Simply type tool can create some text to your video. Just select the position where you want the text to be added. Here select and write anything on your screen. And if you click on it, you can also use the vertical type tool. This will add the text to your video but in a vertical position. And that's it. And there you have it. We have covered some essential tools in Premiere Pro that will significantly enhance your editing workflow. For the selection tool, for the basic clip manipulation, to the pen tool for the precise keyframe control. Mastering these tools will elevate your editing skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to experiment with these tools and discover the unique possibilities they offer. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.